All right, we're dropping into upper PT. It's party time. Woohoo! Let's go. All right. Stay right here. Whoa, unless you want to do Dr. Phil. Unless you want to do mainline. This rolls, totally rolls. Woohoo! All right. Woohoo! We're going now. All right. Ooh, soft and loamy. Woohoo! All right, we're coming up on the spot where mainline joins Dr. Phil. Somewhere up here. There it is. That's where mainline joins you. Woohoo! All right, now we got the chute coming up. I like to go in nice and slow. Start with a tight right turn, and now we're into the chute. A couple line choices here. And here we go. Woohoo! All right. Woohoo! Oh, nice. Woohoo! All right. We're having a good time. Woohoo! PT's a lot of trail, but it's a lot of fun, and everything rolls. Woohoo! Woohoo! Up. All right. Whoop. All right. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right. Woohoo! Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, pedal, pedal. It's a one pedally spot on this trail. We're gonna come around here. The left-hand line's been kind of shitty lately, so I'm taking the right-hand line. Here we go. Woohoo! All right. Keep it going. Not too much more. Some doubles there if you can clear them. Woo-hoo. Almost done to the bridge. Alrighty-o.